Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial series on how to make a game like GTA 5. This was requested. So just a bit of theory before we get on with anything else. GTA, yeah, is just a roleplay game because you got the missions, which are quests, you got the open world, you got the players, you got the NPCs and things like that. But it's essentially just a roleplay game. So I'm going to show you how to make a GTA 5. I say 5 because I'm going to do multiple characters. So yeah, the 3 characters. So we need to go create new folder. Scripts. As you can see, I've got all this set there, so it's already imported. New C# script. Game manager, I guess. And open it up. If you're new to Unity or don't have any programming knowledge already, then go find another tutorial, because people have been watching my other tutorials thinking that it's going to show them how to do the basics of programming. No, it's not. If you want to know the basics of programming, go search it on the internet. Do not come here. This is more advanced intermediate stuff, so if you don't have anything to do with Unity or programming, then come back once you do. Right, anyway. So for you, it may open in mono-develop, but I have it set to open in Visual Studio. So you need to create a serializable class. So system.serializable public class character. Let me just go public string name public texture 2D image or icon public game object player prefab. There we go. So now I need to use the system.collection.generic by going to the top, using system.collection.generic. So now we need to go public list character characters equals new list characters. So now let's create a new game object, name it game manager with a space at the beginning just so it's always on top, and just drag the script onto it, add one. As you can see, we've got name, icon, player prefab. So now we need to get some character models. First of all, I'll save the scene. So scenes, save scenes, start, I guess. So unless you already have a character model, then you don't need to do this. But yeah, so I'll be showing you how to do Mechanim now with the animations and retargeting, but make sure that if you do have a character model, it needs to be rigged. Ooh, I have an inconsistent line in this. If you get this, just double click on it, it should open the script up, go File, Advanced Save Options, Windows CRLF, or if you're on Mac, then Macintosh, of course. So yeah, it's gone. Now, to get a character model or whatever, go Window, Asset Store. 3D models, characters, humanoids, and I found one by Miximo earlier on, male character pack, so let's just import that, download. Right, so let's import it. We've got the characters, the textures, like that. Now we need some animations. So I already have some downloaded, but I'm trying to find it in here. It's called Raw Mocap Data for Mechanim V1.1. Just search that. I'm just going to import it. Okay, now it's imported. So just to make it more neat, I'm gonna go animation, create an animations folder, and drag raw mocap data into that, and then create a models folder and drag the male characters back into that. It's got to re-import it, hasn't it? Good. Okay, now new folder, models, drag that into there. Okay, now we need to create a new folder and name it cores and prefabs as well. Prefab plans fabs. There we go. Right. So into new animator, where is it? New Animator Controller. Can just name it controller, and then right. So go into this, and you'll see that there's rig. Create from this model, and there'll be a default avatar along with all these animations here. As you can see, just play like animations. So you need to go for each of your character models. Go rig, generic, copy from another avatar, default avatar. Yes. Actually, no, we don't. Sorry, ignore that. Just go create from this model. There we go. Right, so now we need to go window, animator. I like to drag it down there. So I'm going to do Carl, I guess is his name, first. Really low poly bloke. Got that. So I'm just going to drag the controller onto there. As you can see, it's now got all this. We want animate physics. Any state, list is empty. So I'm just going to create state. Name it idle animation. Okay, so I need to give it an animation, an idle animation. Idle neutral probably be best. Right, we need to make it loop. It's got a good loop point there. Just make sure it loops, go loop time, take that. Okay. So I'm using idle neutral 1. Drag that on. Fit IK. So now make transition. And when we play, it should play that by default. As you can see, it's playing it. He's being animated. Okay, good. Now, we need to create a parameter. Make it... Sorry, let me remove that. Parameter, make it a float, speed, ball, running. So now... Alright, now... No. Why has it done that? A bit weird, but okay. Now we need to do walking. So walking. Often we'll do walking. So walk forward. I believe there was one where it was somewhere. Okay, well for now I'll just do the default walk forward. And it all loops and everything, so that's good. Right, so just drag that on. Make transition between idle and that. Click on the arrow and remove exit time. Add speed is greater than 0 and running is false. So now we need to make it so speed can be greater than 0. By creating a script. player controller. Now into public animate, and then for some reason there we go. Public animator animator anim. Right, I want to go if. No, it's not right. No, wrong one again. Edit, input, axes. It is horizontal. No, vertical rather. Want to go anim dot set float speed to input dot get axes vertical, and we have that line endings thing again. So advanced save options, Windows. So there. So now if we can't, didn't really work. Oh, could help if the script was on the player, couldn't it? Right, so there we go. See, now walks. There's that. You just make a transition back as well. Okay, for some reason that didn't go too well, that transition back, so let me do that again. Right, so now I'm going to quickly create a small scene with a plane 0, 0, 0 and just make it 100 by 100. And I'll give the camera the smooth follow script that's imported with the default stuff. Oh. Make it sort of 2, 4. As you can see, walking forward. So just add that. Give it some shadows. Like that. There. As you can see, now walking forward. Right, we need a. Also, we already have that. Right, so I'm going to go do the run animation now. I'll get to turning around and that in a minute, but I want to do running. So I should do sprinting, or no, I'll just do a jog. Jog forwards. Like that. Apply. Just make sure it does loop, and then root transform. Yeah, tick that, and tick. Just tick root transform rotation. So now, what the hell? Okay, maybe don't tick that. No. Okay, what is going on? What the hell? Bit weird. Why is it done that? What the hell? Okay, just tick loop time and rotation. Sorry about this. This is a bit weird, but it's okay. Just trying to make sure this looks right. There we go, that's good. So now, drag that on and make a transition from idle to the jog forward and back, and then walk forward, jog forward and back. So get rid of exit time between walk forward to jog and jog to walk forward. So we need to go running, true, and speed is greater than 1, of course, and then speed is greater than 1 and running is false. And from idle to jog, remove exit time. Actually, not yet actually. So speed is greater than 1 and running is true, and back would be speed not speed is greater than 1, speed is greater than 0, and speed is less than 0, and running, no, you don't need running, do we? So I need to quickly do that. So anim.set ball, which is called running, equals input.get key down key for God's sake, key code dot left shift. So now, given that we're running, it should work. No. Oh, it needs to be not input.get key down, but input.get key. Did the wrong one, which is useful. Then we run, and that seems to happen. Why is it? How come it does that? Okay, delete the exit time, and delete the exit time. Delete the exit time for all the ones we have currently. Why does it do that? What I'm going to quickly do is speed is get axis vertical times 2, and then I'll have it so speed is greater than 1. Make it so when you're walking, speed is greater than 1. 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 And then going back would be speed is less than 1. Going back, speed is less than 1. Speed is greater than 1. Okay. I don't understand why it does that though. But okay. Well, for some reason it always goes back to idle no matter what though. Well, I don't understand why it does that. Okay. It's very weird. Come in closer. Right, what? Why does it do that? That's really weird. And running is force, I guess. Going back from jog. So does it? Why? That's really weird. Hang on. Okay, fix it by just simply removing the transition between any state and idle. That fixes it. You can see. Run. Constantly running. Right. Now we need to make so you can spin around and that sort of thing. So like when you're walking backwards, it spins around. So turning, draw backwards. Okay, jumping, avoiding, walking, turning. Okay, well what we need to do is create new blend tree. Blend tree is just a thing, or walk, sorry, not walking. Blend tree is something that has a series of animations within it. So we need to create a new parameter, float, direction. So we need to add the walk animation we did before, which was walk forward. Okay, oops, we need to do that. How do I open the blend tree? That's how. Walk forward, drag, okay. Speed, it needs to be under direction, add a motion field, just walk forward. So it should be at threshold 0, speed, yeah. Add motion field, add another motion field. Make sure walk's in the middle. For some reason that's opened. Okay, so now we need to do one where it's sort of walking left and right. Yeah, like that. Okay, so we got turn right. And do the same but on a flip. This one. So as you can see, it's turning like that. The 0.5 should just be walking forward. And it's turning. It's turning. Nope. What the hell happened there? Okay. Right, well, I guess we actually want to have a turn left animation. So that. Oops, I don't want it. Like that. Why does it walk backwards? That I do not get. Turn. Hang on, they both turn right. Ow. Oops. Well, I guess screw it. Walk forward, medium. Right, I'll drag the walk forward again and go away. For that one needs to be flipped then, I guess, I believe. So it walks that way, so walk that way, which then walks that way. Good. This seems good. Which one's the threshold? Good. Good. So now we need to do a transition, oops, transition to it and back from idle. And the transition to remove exit time would be speed, of course, greater than 1. Running is false, and then speed is less than 1. That'd be it. Speed is greater than 1. There we go. Now we need to set a way of making direction, and let me just do the transitions between walk and run. We'll have to redo the run in a minute with the different things. So speed is greater than 1. And running is false, and the other way around, that one. Speed is greater than 1, and running is true, with an error. Go away. So now, hopefully that should still work. Ah, yes. I don't know why I've done that. Because we have warp forward. By default we want direction to be 0.5. I believe. Well, no, we want direction to be 0. We want the threshold for warp left to be -1 and that 1. So now, yeah, because that's how it'll work. So for direction, anim.setFloat, direction is equal input.getAxes horizontal. So I'll just copy and paste that. Input horizontal. Nope. Horizontal. No. Horizontal. There we go. So now should walk forwards, turn that way, turn that way. Why is it doing that? Why is it turning? Hang on, let me just move the camera down a little bit. 2. So I'm just adjusting the camera so I can get a better view. For some reason it walks that way though, which I do not understand. Oh, no wonder. Walk is at 0.5, not walk forward is at 0.5, not 0. That would explain it. There we go. He's walking like that. Now we need to do a run where you can turn left and right. So delete this. I'll just quickly add foot IK to the warp one. So create new blend tree. We'll just name it run with a capital U apparently. Foot IK of course. Add 3 motion fields again, and automatic threshold -1, 0 and 1 under direction. So now we need to do a running, turning, so a run forward. Was it that one I did? No. What one was it? Was it just that one? Yes, it was. Okay, good. So let's run forward, neutral face forward, there. And now we need a run forward. Is like that. So I'll quickly edit that so from there. Sort of there. So now it should run around in a circle. There. Oh, let me loop pose it. So actually loops properly. There we go, that's good. Right, turn right, turn left, flip it. So now we can go back, do the transitions, backwards and forwards, so to that. Remove exit time, speed is greater than 1, running is true, speed is less than 1, running is false, and then we do the transition between walk and run, and back and forth of course. So remove exit time, speed is greater than 1, no, yeah, sorry, that's right, speed is greater than running is true, speed is greater than 1, running is false, good. So now we run, we can turn one left and right. Admittedly the animation does look a bit weird, but not too bad. The transition looks a bit weird, so let me sort of run back. Yeah. Yeah. Good. So now we need to do a sort of turn on the spot thing, which I assume comes under idle. Is there a turn? What's that? Jump to medium. Interacting? No, that wouldn't be it. Is there no sort of turn on the spot? Guess not. Okay, fair enough. Okay, well, we need, I guess we could just do a Right, we need to create another state machine, which would just be, no, I don't know, no, oh well, I don't think that's too bad. I mean, we can just sort of turn around like that. Yeah, that'll do. So I guess we should do a jump, really, just for simplicity's sake. Where's jumping? Sprinting, jumping, walking. Idle. Oh. Is there an idle jump? No. Ready to neutral. Is there no idle jump? No. Interacting, running, jump. Oh no. Just a jump. Just a jump. Not a climb, a jump. One jump. One jump. Is there a walking jump? No. I guess we're not doing a jump. Okay, well, that's the basics of Mechanim, and yeah, so you can run, turn, all that good stuff. From the looks of things, I'm sort of floating on the ground. Yeah, I am for some reason. I'm not sure why that is, but okay. Let me add a collider quickly, so we can just actually collide with things. This will let me. So, capsule collider. No. Capsule collider. That's gone well. 0.2. Does that look good? Yeah, that's right. Height 2, 3. No. 1. Height's too big. 1.5. No, 1. Like that. 0.8. 9. 9. 5. 9. No, it's far too small. 0.8. There we go, that's good. Right, so let's add a rigid body. And we want to constrain the rotation and interpolate it. Give it a mass of 70 or 7. 7. So, yeah. 7. So hopefully we're not floating on the ground anymore. Good, we're not. Oh, but we're sinking. some reason. Why are we sinking? Bit weird, but okay. We're sinking. For some reason that's... Well, I have a feeling I made that a bit too light, so let's go 60. Right, so there's Carl, so drag him into the prefabs. Prefab, right. In player controller, what I'm going to quickly do is require component, type of rigid body, and a capsule collider as well. Capsule collider. So now as soon as you drag that onto an object, it will add the thing to those two components to it. So we've got Carl. I'll do the other two characters now. We won't have to redo all the animation things. So we've got Justin. You can simply drag on the animator, drag on the scripts, and as you can see we've got all that. So 60 and freeze all the rotations. Do that. Okay, as our Justin character, and just to prove that the animations are still going to work, if drag him into that quickly, and as you can see the animations work. So I'm just going to drag him into the prefabs, and now for the final person who is called Vincent. So I'll drag on controller, player controller, I believe it was 0.9, that was 0.2 and 1.5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, there we go. So drag him into the prefabs as well. So there's that. Right, so we can just close the animator for now. Oh, not maximize close. Right, so we can do the characters now. So 3 characters. So we've got Carl, Justin, and Vincent. So I'll just drag each of them on. Justin and Vincent. And I'll quickly create the pictures for them. Textures, GUI, characters. So I'll quickly just screenshot their faces. Also plop that in. Screenshot, photo shortcut, and yeah. Not open. New. Yep. But I'll quickly just crop that, and then I'll just make it better. Crop. I'll get rid of the background. There we go. There's him. Save as. GTA 5, assets, textures, GUI, characters, Justin, and I like to use PNG. PNG. Save. As you can see, there's that. Let's make it GUI. There it is. Okay, now let's do. Oh no, that was Carl. Damn it. Carl. Have I got that right? I did do the right characters. I hope. Oh yeah, good. Now this one is Justin. The most realistic character model ever. Now let's just move it. Like his face there. Boop, 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 boop. For some reason, it's gone and done it content aware. No, it hasn't. Never mind, ignore that. It's because I forgot to delete the Carl there. Save as Justin, and the last one is Vincent. Just GUI him. There we go, and now for Vincent. Looks like some really weird bloke. Print screen. His head is tiny, so I'll just scale that up a bit. There we go. Apply. Boop, 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 boop. Oops. Okay, that'll do. What's his name? Vincent. Okay, so let's go with Vince. So just do that. GUI. Delete from the scene and just drag him onto there. Carl, Justin, and Vincent. Okay, so there's that. How long has this been going? 44 minutes. Right. Cheers for watching. I'll leave it here. Next video will be uploaded next Sunday. So yeah, cheers for watching. See ya.